Good morning. What is going on, people? I'm so sorry about my voice. Look, I know that I've got a not a very manly voice, but on top of that, I've got a cold. So this is becoming so squeaky. I'm so sorry about that, right? But then again, it's not all about my voice, it's all about learning chemistry. All right. What are we going to look at? We are planning to finish up our last sack, which is sack 3. And the question is, what question is that? That is fifth question. Is that clear to you? Now, let me, let's go to the question here. Question 5. All right, question 5. What is the first question is asking you to do? It seems like a simple question. Identify the following as a primary, secondary, or tertiary alcohols. Man, it's important that you know how to identify alcohols. Yeah, primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary alcohol. Hydroxyl carbon has got two hydrogens or one alkyl group. Now, in this case, which one is the hydroxyl carbon? Sorry, that's the hydroxyl carbon. It has got one hydrogen or two R groups. So this is a secondary alcohol. That's simple. Yeah, that's simple, isn't it? Okay. Now what's the first next one? Next one is a, as you can see, that is a primary alcohol. Why is a primary alcohol? Uh, as you can see, the hydroxyl carbon. This is the hydroxyl carbon. You see that? This hydroxyl carbon, that carbon, that got two hydrogen or one alkyl group. Is that clear to you? All right. Oh, this one. Where's the hydroxyl carbon? This is the hydroxyl carbon. It has got how many? It has got no hydrogen. So this is primary, right? This is tertiary, isn't it? Simple. Tertiary alcohol. Okay. Now name the what? Name the product of the reaction below. What is this reaction? Oh, acidified potassium dichromate. You know that when there is acidified potassium dichromate, you know it is oxidation. Oxidation. We are oxidizing. When you see acidified potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate, oxidation. Oxidation. Okay, now this one is pretty interesting. Why I'm saying that? Uh, they're not saying to you that there is heat present or not. All right, but then, or in other words, I'm saying that is it mild condition or it's a severe condition like with heat in it. But they're not saying any heat present or not. But but we are making the carboxylic acid. Interesting. Name the product of the reaction below. Name the product of the reaction below. So I'm just trying to debate myself between whether X is a primary alcohol or an aldehyde. Interesting. Okay. Now name the product of the reaction below. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a pentanoic acid. That part is not that difficult. Then the difficult part is this one. Okay, I think you should be given what? You should be given. Sorry about this. Sorry. Given X should be. It's a primary alcohol, depending on what your teacher thinks. In a weaker situation, I think you should be given marks for both. So it's a pentanoic acid, so it should be pentane 1-ol. Okay. It should be pentane 1-ol because it's a pentanoic acid. Yeah. You can say it's a primary alcohol. B. Product is pentanoic acid. It has to be pentane 1-ol. We know that. Or X can also be pentanal. I'm saying is this. Should be pentanal. I think you should be given marks for both of them. Yeah. Is that clear to you? Make sure you draw all the hydrogen, right? I think you should be given marks for both of them. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the X has to be hexane 1-ol or hexane 1-al. I don't know why they are repeating the same question over again. This is ridiculous. This one, what compound X is? This one, let's go for hexane 1-ol. Hexane 1-ol will oxidize into hexanol. Yeah. It's a primary alcohol. Or name the X. So what class of the compound? Oh no, this is the answer here. What class of the compound? It's a primary alcohol, X. Alcohol, okay. Well, that's done. D. Then D, what are they trying to do here? Oh, it's a simple question, isn't it? They are making a ketone. Is it ketone? Yeah, it's a ketone. What else otherwise? It's a ketone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's hexane 2-on. Hexane 2-on. So now it's better to draw that on. Draw it out. Hexane 2-on. 4, 5, 6. Now hexane 1, 2, no, hexane 3-on. Sorry about that. Hexane 3-on. It's hexane 3-on, isn't it? Yeah? Did you see that it's hexane 3-on? Okay. Give me a moment. It's hexane 3-on. Sorry about that. This is hexane 3-on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the ketone. Now you know that ketone has to be ketone is a product of secondary alcohol getting oxidized. So look at that. Instead of the ketone group, I'm going to make the secondary alcohol part. Then that will get oxidized into hexane 3-on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, hexane 3-on. So this. All right. Give the example for X. It should be hexane 3-ol. Okay, what class of compound is the product? It's definitely a ketone. Simple question, isn't it? Yeah, is that a simple question? How do you think how you went with that question, huh? What do you think? Are you a legend? Yeah? Are you a legend? If you could do that question 100%, you are a legend. Ha ha ha. All right. I'll see you with another question. Thank you so much. Bye.